Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another Golds with Gear unboxing video. Today we are going to be unboxing the CJRB folding pocket knife called the Crag. Let's check it out. This one I was able to purchase on Amazon. I believe this one was an Amazon exclusive, pardon my grammar. But this is a carbon fiber overlay on top of a G10 handle with a red ball bearing pivot with flipper cleaver style blade with a nice flat grind. I believe the material is the AR RPM 9 powder steel liner lock with a pocket clip that is switchable to the other side. It is a 2-direction, not a 4-direction. But overall, this is a very nice basic budget-friendly pocket knife that you can use. I think it's a very nice go anywhere kind of look that you can, dress up or dress down for whatever need you have out of it. And this is something that, for the price that you can get, I believe either $32 to around $35 after tax on Amazon is a pretty good price point to just be able to utilize and just beat on without really trying to baby it and use it like the tool that it needs to be. So if you guys have this knife or plan on getting this knife and use it, let me know what you guys think. Would love your guys' input, and catch you guys for the next one. Thank you.